Subscribe to Software Testing Mentor channel, learn latest technologies in software testing, test automation, testing tools, and much more. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of TestRail training. This is Manish, and in this tutorial we will learn about administration in TestRail. So to get started, you just need to go to the TestRail account that you have created. By default, when you create a trial account in TestRail, you'll be an admin of TestRail, and any further users that you add, you have to make sure if they want to do administration in TestRail, you need to provide them administration access so that they are able to see this administration tab at the top. So click on administration and you will see the overview of the administration section. You will see about TestRail. So since this is the cloud version and it's a trial version, so you'll see that the trial version details here, and what's the current version of the TestRail, when it was built, and what's the database version. Along with that, you will see the background task. Below that, you will see all the administration options available in TestRail. So you can view the project, you can add the new project, you have option to add and view the users and roles, customize various fields and sections in TestRail. You can manage the integration with Jira and other tools. You can manage the subscription and the site settings. So these are all basic administration options available in TestRail. In the right hand column here, you will see similar options. So the overview section, projects, users and roles, customizations, etc. If you choose one, you will get into the detail of that administration and do the customizations there. So this is a bit of overview of administration in TestRail. In next tutorial, we will go through each administration section one by one and see what all is possible in the administration section and how you can customize your Jira instance to suit as per the project requirement within your organization. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel to get more updates and tutorials like this. Thank you.